My inspiration really in terms of making the space what it is today was more about providing an access point for people from a wide variety of cultures to see arts and to participate in the arts. The mandate of the organization is to actually produce and present work that reflects the cultural diversity of Canada.
And what I do is paint a portrait of the audience live on stage, and I talk about my journey as a visually impaired visual artist.
We do over 200 productions here a year, while we're also doing rehearsals and developing scripts upstairs.
The Firehall, it means a lot professionally and personally to me. Donna Spencer has been incredibly supportive over the years, and she's so great at giving people a chance and letting them keep exploring and then repeatedly presenting work. There's so many interesting people who kind of come through this building, different kinds of people, different ages of people, that it feels like a real community.